welcome back to my channel. So here is round 4 at Walgreens this week. So I did a total of 2 separate transactions. This is one transaction right here. So once I'm done going over these items in this transaction, I will go ahead and show you guys my second transaction. So before I get into these deals, you guys already know, if you are watching this video and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would just take out the time to go ahead and click that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time I upload a video. I have a lot of Walgreens videos coming for you guys this week, so get ready. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. So as you can see, I have 2 Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I have this new Pantene. I've never purchased this before, and this is the Pantene Nutrient Blends. I have this Revlon Photo Ready Candid, and I have 2 of these Maybelline Snap Scarers. So, with the Colgate Optic White this week, Colgate is priced at $2.99. The deal is buy 2 and receive 4,000 points. So you will buy 2 at $2.99. That'll bring your total to $5.98. I used 2 $1 off coupons that I ordered. So $5.98 minus the $2 in coupons, that brought my total down to $3.98. And because I purchased 2, I did receive 4,000 points back. So I paid $3.98, got my 4,000 points back. That made this toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. With the Pantene Nutrient Blends, so these are a part of the P&G deal this week. So with select P&G products, the deal is spend $25 and get 5,000 points. So this Pantene is priced at 2 for $14, and I purchased a total of 4. So that's a total of $28. So I have already met that $25 threshold to get the 5,000 points back. So 2 for $14, I used 2 $5 off of 2 paper coupons that I ordered, Pantene coupons that I ordered. So I purchased 4 at $28. I used a total of $10 in coupons. So that brought the total down to $18 for all 4, or $4.50 each. And don't forget, since this is a part of P&G, I did get the 5,000 points for that. Okay? With the Revlon Photo Ready Candid, so this is priced at my store for $10.99, and the deal with Revlon this week is spend at least $10 and receive an $8 registry reward. So I paid $10.99 for this. I also used a $3 off of 1 Revlon face coupon. So $10.99 minus that paper coupon that I ordered, it brought the total down to just $7.99. So I paid $7.99 out of pocket, and I did get back my $8 registry reward, which is right here. With the Maybelline Snap Scara, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, these are priced at my store for $7.79. The Maybelline products are buy 1, get 1 50% off. So one rung up at $7.79 and the other one rung up at $3.89. So when you add both of those totals together, it'll bring your total to $11.68. I did use a $10 Maybelline coupon. And so using that coupon brought my total down to $1.68 for both, or 84 cents each, which is a nice price for that. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see right here, the Maybelline rung up at $7.79. The other one rung up half off at $3.89. Colgate rung up at $2.99, so $5.98. 1 Pantene, $7. So all of the Pantene rung up at $7. And then my Revlon rung up at $10.99. And as you can see right here, my Revlon $3 coupon came off. Both of my Colgate paper coupons came off. Both of the $5 paper Pantene coupons came off. And my digital $10 off coupon for the Maybelline came off. So everything in this transaction, all of my coupons came off like it was supposed to. Everything rung up at the correct price. So I had absolutely no issues with this transaction. So as you can see, it brought my overall subtotal to $31.65, not including taxes. I did use a total of $20 in points, a total of $11.65 out of pocket. And then when you look down here with my everyday points, I got back 360, and my bonus points, I got back 17,240. So that's a total of 17,600 points. And I got back my $8 registry reward from Revlon. So from the 17,240 points, I got back 4,000 points for purchasing 2 Colgates. I got back my 5,000 points because I reached P&G with the Pantene. I got back my $8 registry reward from Revlon. I got back 5K because I reached Beauty. I got back the 360 for my everyday points. And I got back 3,240 points because it is my birthday month. So that is a total of $25 that I got back. So I paid $11.65 out of pocket, and I got back $25. So this is an amazing transaction right here. So this is the first transaction, you guys. So now I'm about to go ahead and show you guys what I purchased in my second transaction. So just give me 1 second. Okay, you guys, so here is my second transaction. So as you can see, I have this Secret with essential oils deodorant. I have Gain laundry detergent, Gain fabric softener, 2 of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoo and conditioners. And then, of course, I had to do the toothpaste deal again. This is a different account, so I loaded all of those high value coupons again. So I got 8 Crest toothpaste. So with the Secret, the Gain, and the Herbal Essence are all a part of the P&G deal. Get 5,000 points when you spend $25, but I'm going to explain them individually, let you know the price of them. So with the Secret deodorant, this is priced at Walgreens for $7.99. I did use a $2 digital coupon on this. So with using that $2 digital coupon, it brought the total down to just $5.99. With the Gain laundry detergent, this is priced at $4.99. I was planning to use a $1 paper coupon, but I forgot to print it from the P&G website before I left home. So I just took a loss on that, and I just paid the $4.99. And then same thing with the Gain fabric softener. This is priced at $4.99 as well. I used a $1 off of 1 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with using that coupon, it brought the total down to just $3.99. For the Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo and conditioner, and this is the coconut milk flavor. I'm sorry, the coconut milk scent. These are priced at Walgreens this week, 2 for $10. There's a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use on this. So when you use that coupon, it'll bring the total down to 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. So total with the P&G products, so I needed to spend $25. So before coupons, the total amount for the P&G products that I have here was $27.97. So I met that threshold of $25, so I was able to receive my 5,000 points. And then, of course, with the Crest deal, the Crest is select Crest toothpaste are priced at $2.99. When you buy 2, you will receive 4,000 points. There is a $7 off of 3 digital coupon, 5 off of 3, and a 5 off of 2. So I used all of those coupons on these Crest toothpaste. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see right here, 4 Crest rung up at $2.99, so $11.96. 4 more Crest rung up at $2.99, so $11.96. The Secret rung up at $7.99. Both of the Herbal Essences rung up 5 each, 2 for $10. The Gain Liquid $4.99 and the Gain Fabric Softener $4.99. As you can see right here, this is my Crest coupon, 5 off of 3. My Herbal Essence digital $3 coupon, Secret digital $3 coupon, my Gain $1 digital coupon, $7 Crest digital coupon, and also another $5 Crest digital coupon. So these are all digitals. As you can see right here, my overall subtotal came out to be $28.89. I didn't use any pocket. No, any pocket. I didn't use any points. I paid this out of pocket. So $28.89, not including tax. And when you look down here, for my everyday points, I got back 510. And for my bonus points, I got back 26,000. So the 26,000 points came from So 16 of those of that 26 came from the Crest, because remember the deal is buy 2 get 4,000 points. So for every 2 that I purchased, I received 4,000 points. So I purchased a total of 8, 4, 8, 12, 16. So that's where 16,000 points came from. I got back 5,000 points because I spent $25 on P&G. So I got back 5,000 points for that. And then I also had a digital booster to where I can receive 5,000 points when I spend $50 in a transaction. So 16 from Crest, 5 from P&G, and 5K from a spin booster that I had. So that's a total of 26,000 points. So I paid $28.89 out of pocket, and I got back 26,000 points. So total for this entire transaction right here, I paid a total of $2.89, or about 22 cents per item. So this is an amazing deal, you guys, because only paid $2.89 for this entire transaction. So that's amazing. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you guys. Remember, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. This is going to be it, you guys. I am tired. So I will see you guys in my next video.